we found our age. We couldn't find it, guys. We're here.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. Today I'm bringing you guys along with me, a little shop with me to Restoration Hardware, Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, all of these fun and exciting stores, so keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
All right, guys, so the new year is right around the corner. So is Christmas. I cannot believe it. Like, what? Time's going by so fast. But I'm thinking of doing some updates to my home. I'm not gonna give it away just yet. So I really want to go inside these stores and get some inspiration. I want to go to Restoration Hardware, you know, just get inspired. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I also get a ton of inspirations from going inside showrooms, not just Pinterest. Go inside these showrooms, take a ton of pictures, you know, just do whatever you got to do in order to really envision your home, and it can help you decorate. So that's what I love to do every now and then, and I have not been to the stores in a minute, so I'm really excited to go see what they have. Also, obviously, Christmas is coming up real soon, and so a lot of the stores still have Christmas decor up. So if you guys see something you like, hopefully you can get inspired or run off to the stores and go get it for yourself. So right now we're actually parked right in front of Crate and Barrel. It's gonna be our first stop, so I'll see you guys right inside. Quick little video. OOTD. Hey, babe. Oh, what did you say? Oh, this is tight. So it's like a marble. This is pretty. Imagine an island like that. Whew. So bomb. Look, you guys. Oh my god, this looks just like our table. It has like the same look. Huh, babe? Addison chairs. Ooh, these are nice. How much are those?
No, they don't roll out though.
Huh?
They don't roll out.
Oh, but how much are they?
400.
Hey, that's cheap. No, that's actually around the same price as the Restoration Hardware ones that we got. It's almost the same price, so you can choose to go with the Addison chairs. But this is actually what caught my eye. I want this. Oh my god, you guys. I want this. I want this so bad. Ooh. Can't you see this in my place? This is the nicest thing. And it's actually on sale. They have it for $8.49. Your retails for $1,017. That's not bad. I think it comes separate though. I don't think it comes together. So the little butt seat is separate. Oh, here's a whole collection. So they even have a storage bench. That is so nice. I am obsessed with this. So pretty. So pretty. Alright, we found our age. We couldn't find it, guys. For a minute. Right here. This is everything. This setup, so minimal, so gorgeous. This vessel, oh my goodness. I am obsessed. Obsessed is an understatement. The bookshelves. See, that's what I love about Restoration. They just keep everything neutral. Okay, so one of the updates that I'm going to be making come the new year is getting a new rug. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got rid of my living room rug and I want a new rug. This looks very similar to the one that we had. It's not the same colors, it's different colors, but it's the same style. But I want something light. I still want something light. my god, this is so pretty. It'll be so hard to choose. But yeah, I'm gonna stick to the neutral palette. I want something very light and pretty and modern. Wow, they have so many to choose from. Oh, look, babe. Look at those. Look. This is like the... See, I like this. This is really pretty. I like that it's minimal. It has like a touch of farmhouse, not too much. Okay, so this is so pretty. I absolutely love how Restoration just uses very minimal decor. Like, that's it, you guys. That's just modern. Ooh, inspo right here. I love how the crystal is set on top of two books like that. Definitely inspo. This is so pretty. I love it. I like this little light even. How they set it up like that. I like that. And the throw. So you guys see how Restoration uses the Tom Ford book a lot? It's a must-have, you guys. I want to get this bed definitely once we move out. Just the entire set is so pretty. This is called the Modena. Oh, this is the bench. I wonder if that's what the bed is called. So pretty. Ooh, so this is more of a darker vibe. The grays with the big crystals again. This is a beautiful setup. I think I showed it earlier. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Oh my god. Ooh. I gotta get me these books right here. I don't have these. Oh, babe, look at these couch lamps. Those are different.
Oh, these are tight.
Those are tight. So I love how they always add the gold accent. Just a little bit, not a lot. You guys see it's just in the couch lamps. The mirror. Not too much. Yeah. It's like the perfect amount of gold. Not too much. It looks kind of like ours. It's probably more though. Yeah. See, I like this. I like these bookshelves. Very minimal. Keep it all one color. Add some vessels. Last stop, Pottery Barn. Let's go see what they got. Guys, I find stuff every now and then that I like from Pottery Barn, but Resto is definitely more a vibe. Oh my god, babe. Look at this pillow. It's a dog. Oh, that'll be cute for maybe a kid's room. It's a dog. So let me give you guys a little sneak peek of the Christmas stuff in case you haven't made your way to Pottery Barn. This is what they have. It's really cute. I actually love all of this. I love how it's very neutral. The vibes. The vibes. It's pretty, huh, babe? See, I love how everything is just very neutral. I like it. No reds. No reds, no green. Ooh, the taper candles. So they do have them here. Ooh, these are gold. Oh, these are tight. Which are these? 20 bucks. Oh, pretty. I do like those. What did you say?
It's your type of vibe right here.
You know that it's not. No, look at that big vessel right there. Wow.
Nice.
That's big. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, so this is like their window showroom, so I can show you guys. Very cozy vibes. Very warm. Oh, that's interesting. That's an interesting combo. I wouldn't get it. Look, babe. For parsley. For parsley. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. I hope you guys had fun coming along with this to all these stores. I got so much inspo, guys. So much inspo. I'm excited for the New Year's to kind of make some home decor updates with you guys. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And hit that like button. Also, turn the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I am cold and I want coffee, so I'll see you guys all later. Bye.